You can do 10 push-ups, maybe 20 if you feel strong. But when you try to reach 100, you fail every time. You train every day but nothing changes. Your arms burn, your chest feels weak, and your mind asks, why am I not getting better? Here is the truth. The problem is not your hard work. The problem is how you train. And when you learn this one thing, you will never see push-ups the same way again. This is not a do 100 push-ups for 30 days challenge. That type of training does not work. This is the same method that top calisthenics athletes use to become strong and powerful. I call it the ladder push-up method. And trust me, after you try it, you will remember me and say, "Thank you, Captain Calisthenics." But listen carefully, most people quit this method in the first few days. Why? Because this training is hard. It shows your weakness very fast. It pushes you out of your comfort zone to the point where your muscles want to stop. But that is where real progress happens. Most people train like this. 5 sets of 15 push-ups. It looks good. It feels safe. But you are not improving. You are only doing what feels easy. That is why you never reach 80 or 100 push-ups. The secret is simple. Do fewer sets, but push every set to failure. Keep going until your arms cannot push anymore. That is when your body learns to grow stronger. Here's how to do it. Start with the hardest push-up you can do, like decline push-ups. Do them until you fail. Do not rest. Now switch to normal push-ups. Go until you fail again. Still no rest. Next, do incline push-ups. Again, go until failure. Finally, do knee push-ups. Keep pushing until your body completely stops. This is one ladder. Do this 2 or 3 times in one workout, 3 to 4 days each week. If you stay consistent, you can go from 10 push-ups to 50, then 80, and maybe even 100 in a few months. This works because it trains strength and endurance together. You are teaching your body to keep working even when tired. That is real training. Not fancy, just hard and effective. And if you are tired of guessing what to train next, check out my 1-year calisthenics plan. It will take you from beginner to handstands, front levers, and full body control, step by step. Stop doing the same 15 push-ups forever. Train smarter, not just harder. Subscribe, and start building a body that truly deserves 100 push-ups.